backsliding and falling out of Christianity. The number one reason for that is they follow Jesus but not because of the gospel. They don't follow Jesus as a sinner who need saving. They follow Jesus kasi meron silang gustong makuha or nakuha from Jesus. Ito example, yung iba they follow Jesus para maayos yung business nila. So nag-church sila praying na umayos yung business nila. And umayos nga yung business nila. So tuloy-tuloy lang silang nagsisimba at nagpe-pray. But dumating sa point na nalugi yung business nila. And doon na nagsisimula yung tampo nila kay God. And ang result, tatama rin na mag-church, magpo-fall out na of the faith. Kasi nga, they follow for the wrong reason. We are all sinners and fall short of the standard of goodness of God. Lahat tayo, we all deserve hell. And hindi natin kayang tubusin yung sarili natin. But God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, si Jesus, to pay for our penalty.